Hey guys, this week on AFOL TV, we're building a police chase. Alright guys, so we have an exciting build today. We're actually going to do 3 different vehicles, starting first with the Getaway Car here in red. Next will be the police cruiser right here in the middle. And then we're going to wrap it up with the police SUV. All are pretty easy, but each one has some unique details that we got to cover. And then lastly, I'll touch on the minifigures that are kind of surrounding the scene right now. They're pretty easy, but just wanted to kind of give you guys some tips on that as well. So let's get to it. Okay, so first up is the red Getaway Car. Go ahead and pause the video and grab the pieces and parts. This is what you'll need for the car. And come on back, so we'll get started on the build. All right, one car down. Next up is the police cruiser. This personally is my favorite build, so let's get to it. These are the parts and pieces you'll need. If you want to pause the video and go grab them, go ahead and then meet me back because it's time to start building. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed building the police cruiser. Up next is the police SUV. It's honestly not a lot different than the last one, but there are a few changes towards the end. So here are the pieces you need. Go ahead and pause so you can follow along, and then come on back because let's get started. All right, guys, so those are the 3 vehicles. Pretty easy to do. You know, if you have any questions, feel free to comment in the comment section. Last up is just the little minifigures. So I'm gonna show you how to do those right now. Start with a 1 plate, and then you do another one, a different color, and then a third. And then last up is the head. And again, you can use any colors for this, you know, black, white, blue, light blue, dark blue, green. I chose dark blue and black for LAPD, but it's up to you to get creative. All right, guys. Well, that was a fun build for me. Hope it was for you too. I appreciate you following along, liking, commenting when you can, and then following our page and subscribing would be huge. We're trying to grow this thing, and all the support you can provide helps. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. We'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And then feel free to check us out on Instagram at afol.tv. And then look forward to a few of our upcoming builds. We're hoping to build a full city, and we'll be giving tours with that as well. Thanks.